Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel How To, and in this video I am going to tell you that how you can name or rename things in Figma. This is very easy and you can do it in seconds. So let's get going. So I want to change the name of this group. So I click on it, I select it and I go there on the highlighted section. Now you just double click on it and this comes up like this. So now you change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna go with logo. This was the first method. Second method is if you want to change the name of multiple things, okay, then select all of those things and go here and then right click on it and go here on the rename. Okay, so now you change its name. I'm going with Vic, so both of them are Vic now. All right, this was the second method. Now third method is very similar, only we are going to use keyboard shortcut. So let's think I want to change all of their name. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl plus A. It's going to select all, then press Ctrl plus R. After that you change their name. Okay, I'm doing Bond. Okay, so all of them are Bond now. This is how you change their name. And remember guys, you can use this trick on a single item also. Just select us and press Ctrl plus R, and like here you can change its name to logo. Okay, now these three are bonds but this is logo. Okay, I hope you get it. These bond and Vic doesn't make any sense, but you know the concept now. Okay guys, this was it, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe this channel for UI and UX tutorials. Okay guys, see you next time.